Welcome back, YouTube. I'm going to be showing you how I wheelie my dirt bike. As you see, it's over here. Let's get into it. As you can see, I just did a wheelie. Oh. Weird. What? First, most people say just hold clutch, gas, and dump it. You're going to crash if you do that. You don't want to crash. What I do, I keep it in second gear if it's a 110. I don't know about any others. But as you're going in second gear, keep just popping it. Go square your elbows, gas and pull up, and just keep popping it. Do not just slam the gas and go. Then it's just gonna fly you off. You don't want to fly. Yes, I recommend doing this with a helmet. Don't do it without a helmet. I'm gonna do it again. Not all of them are perfect. I messed that one up really bad. But keep your elbows bent in a square. Gas, pull up, and just keep hopping it back and forth, back and forth. Don't give too much gas; you'll fly off. And barely, if you're going too far back, barely tap the back brake. It keeps you from going all the way back. If you want more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye.